Hola, soy la señora Vaz. I am Mrs. Vaz, and I'm your new Spanish teacher for this year. And I made this video just to let you know me a little bit more. I am going to tell you about my classes. And this year we have 8th grade semester and 8th grade Spanish 1. We also have 7th grade to semester the 7th grade. And then we have 6th grade. And in 6th grade, we have the exploratory that is going to rotate every 6 weeks. And also, it has the new dual language program that we have in Puerto Rich Middle School. So I'll be teaching all those. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about me. For those who don't know me, some of you already know me and familiar with me, and I have been in my class before. So let's start. I'm going to move to the corner right there. I'm in the corner. Okay, not in the corner. But here's my presentation. So I am from Colombia. If you look over there, is the Colombian flag. Okay. And I have a bachelor in Spanish and English. I had 26 years of experience teaching, and 15 of those years I have been with Union County. In 12 years, a little bit more in Puerto Rich Middle School. This is my family, and this is Mr. Bass right here. And this is our son Jimmy, our daughter Lena, Morgan, and Sarah. And here we have Max and Bella, our pets. These are my family in Colombia. This picture was actually taken at the airport in Colombia. And this is my sister who already passed. She's my older sister. And this is my brother, my sister-in-law and my brother-in-law. And here I have some other members of my family. This is my oldest child that is actually my stepson from my first marriage. That is my oldest child. This is my niece and my nephew that I'm expecting to come soon to the United States. I'm waiting for them to arrive on September 4th. This is my niece Daniela. This is Laura. This is Jairo Andres. And then the soldier you see there is my nephew. And that's basically just me. And about the class, we were gonna have to go somewhere else. So let's see. I'm gonna show you a syllabus. I'm just gonna pick any because they are very similar. But I just want you to look at the syllabus. It's gonna be posted on your Canvas page so you can just see what. Let me just make this. Oh, no, I want to show the screen. So you're gonna find something like this in your page, on your Canvas page is the first section that you see there. You're gonna have, right here, you're gonna have to, you have the information there for me to contact me. You have a number in Spanish, let's go back there. I have a number for español only, so you need to talk with me. Si necesitan hablar en español conmigo, acá está el número. You need to click next for each one and click the box. So that will allow you to go back to go to the next page. You're gonna see what we're gonna be seeing and the expectations for class. I need to check this box. The supplies and wish list, and here you have the kind of assignments that we're gonna have. Let me check. And this is all there for you to read it and just check it. And then this last page, the last section of your syllabus, you have just some things to keep in mind, and then you're gonna put your information right there. You're gonna fill the information, and once you complete all that stuff, you submit it, and I will get that information. Then I'll know that you know we're on the same page. That's it for now. I am going to be available for you. We're gonna have some conferences at some point. I'm not sure right now. I know that on Friday I have some time, but we need to schedule those times. I don't want to give you more information until we go more in this. But on Monday 17, everybody starts classes. So you need to go and check your page, find out what you have to do, and complete your assignments. They will be there. Those who have class on the 17th, for some reason Canvas doesn't allow to start the assignment for that day, assign the assignment for that day. So we are going to see if you can just submit it the next day, but you can still work on that. I sent an announcement, and as always, please, if you have any questions, I know this can be confusing. It is a little confusing, but just let me know you have any questions, and I answer your questions when I know the answers, and if I don't know the answers, I try finding the answer. But I'm willing to help you, and we're gonna succeed. We're gonna do this, and we're gonna have fun in the process. I'll see you around. Don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you. Bye. Adios.